you're doing Facebook ads and you don't know about this trick, and you're also doing affiliate marketing, you're doing yourself a huge disservice. This trick is going to help you build ads way faster, get offers out there much faster, and test more offers more quickly with Facebook ads. So one of the biggest challenges with doing ads in general and offers, of course, and whenever you start working with a new offer, you have to understand the business. So you have to understand who the target customer is, who's the ideal customer profile, what kind of verbiage you can use to succinctly and describe the offer and its benefits. So when you're working with ads, you need to be able to write really succinctly, and you need to be able to convey what's the top value proposition. So in any product or service or offer, there's going to be multiple things that could make it appeal to the customer, multiple value propositions. But what are those value propositions? So typically you'd have to research a lot of that by yourself. I mean, of course, going on their website will have a lot of that summarized. You can go look at maybe sign up for their email list. You can try and Google it, see what people are saying, and that's really the sure way to sort of find that information. But how do you find that really crisp, pre-written, truncated version that you can use in your ads? And that's what I'm going to show you today. So let's take a look at a campaign here, and let's take a look at Max Bounty here, and let's just pick a random campaign. Say we wanted to promote this right here. So for those who are not familiar, Max Bounty is an affiliate network, and this is one of the places you can go to get various affiliate offers you want to target. Now, a lot of us are familiar with McAfee antivirus, but what are some of the very special things we can do, or what are the core benefits of this product, or how does it differentiate, right? I mean, we could do a lot of research on this, but the fastest way to do this is to use Facebook. So go into Facebook and type in the name of the product. So McAfee antivirus, you're going to find the company McAfee. Then you go down to page transparency right here and click see more. And then you can actually see all of the ads that they've ever published. And so this actually happened because of a lot of the things that were happening with Facebook's privacy concerns. There was the whole situation with Cambridge Analytica. If you know about the story, it's if you don't know, I encourage you to Google it. It's a crazy story about data and privacy and what these guys are doing to rig elections. But off topic, but really cool thing. But the good news is, what Facebook has done as a result of that is they've made all the ads that a company runs public. So for example, we can see right here, all the ads that they've ever run. And what's even cool, and so you can see the creatives, the pictures, what are the kinds of offers they're running, and this is updated in real time. Also, you can switch it by country. So obviously, the United States is a big market and everyone is targeting the United States. But let's just say this company, this offer is available in, say, Germany. You could go to Germany and you could see what kinds of ads they're running there. It's going to give you a huge advantage to do stuff that other people are not doing, those markets. And of course, perhaps you don't speak German, but you can see here that there's some copy here. You could even take this copy, go to Google, translate, just to get a sense of what exactly is happening, right? And you can see here, so you can use this copy in your ads. Right? So it's a great way, a great tool to get an idea of the kinds of creative that works, the kinds of messaging. I wouldn't recommend it, but you could even copy and paste these exact ads and run them. I wouldn't do that though, because the chances are this company has already been running these ads and your audience has already seen them. So your ad performance is probably going to be lower because the audience has probably already seen them. But it wouldn't be a bad idea to take, say, these Facebook ads and maybe try them in a different medium. But it's going to help you really quickly learn what the value proposition is, what kind of messaging works, because they've done, of course, years and years and years and years of research on this. And more importantly, super cool, what is happening in different markets. Like France, we can see what McAfee, with a global product like this, what are they saying? So you're going to be able to do ads against, to markets that are probably less competitive than your typical, United States, Canada, UK, Australia sort of thing in just English-speaking nations. All right, guys, so that's it. It's a really quick tip. It's been a game changer for me ever since I've been using this little strategy. So hopefully it's been helpful. Would love to know what you guys' experiences are with this. If there are other tools you're using to see what kinds of ads competitors are doing, sound off in the comments. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.